Hello, good morning everyone. Today I am going to share with you an example that's going to really understand why I'm saying that every effort that we put in the direction of our goal counts. So the tendency is usually we tend to overlook or underestimate the importance or value of our initial efforts that we put in, because we think that nothing is happening, no progress is taking place, because we don't see any sign of real progress happening to us in the beginning days when we start our journey towards our aspiration. But it's not so. The moment we take an effort towards the direction of our goal, the progress starts happening, but it's not visible to us on everyday basis. It's happening within us, definitely, and it's only after some time that you are going to experience the effect of our efforts, and we experience that yes, something is changing within us, or some progress is happening, some growth is happening. So I'm going to give you an example why I'm saying so. We need to understand the value of every effort that we are putting in right from the very beginning. A person was holding a sledgehammer in his hand, and there was a big boulder, a big stone, that means a big boulder, okay, and he was striking on the surface of that big boulder in order to break it down into two halves, and perhaps after that he is going to break each of the halves into smaller pieces of the stones. That's his job. Okay, now he started striking on the boulder continuously, consistently, but even after a few strikes, say 8 or 10 strikes, there wasn't any crack appearing on the surface of the boulder. So he thought that nothing is happening to the boulder, all my efforts of striking on it are going in vain. And it was only after a few more strikes and the final strike was there when a crack started appearing on the surface. Then he thought that it is this strike perhaps that made this crack on the surface of the boulder. But he was wrong in his understanding, because every strike counted, every strike had its effect of force on that boulder, because every time he was striking on the boulder, the force was transferring to the deeper layers of, or to the core of that stone, and making that stone weaker from inside. So my dear friend, that's why I say that it's not the final strike, it is every effort that is going to really contribute to the success.